Alright, how to create and sell AI content. Now, you've probably seen this chick on the right, Aitana, or AI Tana, or whatever the fuck you want to call her. Yeah, the people who run this model are fucking raking in cash. You know it. That's probably why you clicked on the fucking video. By the way, I know I look like a fucking mong. The office is fucking messy, so I'm using a shitty webcam and blurring out the background, but ignore that. Anyway, you can literally create an AI model, put them on OnlyFans, and generate shit ton of money from fucking pixels on the screen. So that's what we're going to go over. Generating money from the sky. It literally is from the fucking sky. Selling nude content to fucking weirdos. The highest profit margins. And OFM recruitment has been solved with this business. So, proof this shit works. This right here is results of just one of our AI models. This was 1 day of results, 1.5k, as you can see. We have many more models than this. This was just a good day for us. So, all the people on my Telegram have already seen this result right here. And this is literally proof that AI models fucking work and actually do generate a shit ton of money. So, yeah, by the way, this is fan view results, not OnlyFans. So if it looks a bit alien to you, and you're thinking OnlyFans results don't look like this, yeah, it's fan view, it's not OnlyFans. Right, printing money from the fucking sky. So if you just clicked on this video on a limb, you're kind of curious into how AI models generate money. This is the very basics of the business model. So you create an AI girl. You make social media pages for this girl, and you market this girl on these social media pages. Then what you do, once you've built up a fan base and dragged in a load of horny guys, you want to funnel her fans into an OnlyFans. Now, I say OnlyFans in quotation marks because OnlyFans is probably not the most beneficial platform to actually do this on. It's just the most famous subscription-based service website that everyone knows. So, and OnlyFans, most likely going to be a fan view. What you have with fan view is it is a website that is actively looking for AI models. So you have no dramas in terms of verifying girls on there. OnlyFans don't actually like AI models, whereas FanView are very happily accepting AI models. So there you go. FanView is definitely an option there. Of course, you can use any alternate, but OnlyFans, FanView, whatever you want to call it. They then will sub to this OnlyFans. Not all of them, but some of them will. They will then chat to the girl. This is just you on the fucking other side of the screen chatting to these blokes. And they will buy even more content whilst they're chatting to the girl. What you can do then is repeat this and literally have unlimited amount of AI models. You can hire staff to take care of this, hire staff to make the girls, you can hire staff to chat to the blokes, you can hire people to market the model. You can fucking outsource this whole business, which is why it's so fucking brilliant. Now, a very common question I get is, do people really buy this shit? And the answer is absolutely yes. If you have ever had contact with anyone who has purchased OnlyFans content, I don't know if anyone actually admits to doing that, but if you have and you know that they do so, you will most likely know that these cunts spend money on anything. They literally have no control over their fucking emotions, so they get a bit horny, they buy this AI content. Some of them do realise that it's AI and they simply do not care. That is how fucking sad they are. And some are even too stupid to notice or care to notice. So yeah. Now, profit margins. When you're dealing with normal OnlyFans management, which is the business model that this channel is based on, you are basically managing a girl's OnlyFans, you're marketing them, you're managing the OnlyFans page, you're basically bringing in as much money as possible, and what you're doing then is basically sharing half of the profits that account brings in. Now, with AI OnlyFans management, these girls do not exist. So you're not gonna be sharing any profits. You're basically keeping 100% of whatever comes out of that account. So the amount of money that comes out, that is what you're keeping. So if you can name another business model that can consistently produce 100% profit margins, then congratulations, because yeah, I don't know any. OFM recruitment. Now, a lot of you were probably wanting to get into OFM and have found the recruitment process completely fucking impossible, and it is becoming a very impossible task for newcomers. This is because as more agencies are created, the number of models available is obviously a lot lower. So, and what you start to get is these agencies will reach out to these girls. So these girls are literally getting 10, 20 messages per day from agencies, like literally spamming them with messages, like saying, "Oh, join my agency, I'll make you 10k per month." And then eventually they'll sign up to one of those agencies, and then they'll realise that these agencies are full of fucking shit guns who can't do their job. So they're sick of agencies, basically. These models, they don't like agencies, and I can't fucking blame them. So it's basically becoming a very difficult task for new agencies to be able to recruit models. Now, with AI, you do not recruit models, you literally create models. What this does as well is holds you as the owner of the AI agency completely self-accountable for how well this AI agency performs, because it's literally just you. This is the beauty of it. You can't be blaming any model's work rate. You can't be saying, "Oh, I can't get a girl." You can't be saying anything. You make the girl, you market the girl, and you chat to the blokes you sell the content to. So it's all your responsibility. So that is the beautiful thing about it. If you can't make money with this, then you can't fucking make money. There's no excuses. So what you're thinking right now, I don't know how to create AI models. I don't know how to market AI models. I don't know how to sell content to people. But I really want to get involved. This is fucking genius. Thank you. I am. Now, here's how you can get involved. We are going to be hosting a live webinar on Monday 22nd, which from the day this video goes out will be in 2 days' time. Now, this is held in the UK evening time. So if you're in the US, it'll be probably around midday. If you're in Australia kind of region, it'll be early in the morning. So basically, anyone can make it if they really want to. However, if you can't make it, there will be more, so don't fucking panic. But it'll basically teach you the following: how to create AI models and monetize their content. Now, if 2 days is too much of a fucking long stretch for you, then feel free to go back on my channel and you can watch through any AI videos that I have on there. I have a lot. I also have a course teaching you exactly how to set up these AI models, how to monetize their content, and also normal OFM as well. It is time to get involved. You missed crypto, you missed dropshipping, you missed all these business models, SMMA, that blew up. Do not miss AI OFM. This literally, once people get a hold of this business model and people actually realize how much fucking money is involved, the market will be done. OnlyFans models will no longer exist. The whole sex industry will collapse. I'm telling you now, it's going to be nuts. So the people that actually get involved and get in this space early enough will be the ones that make a shit ton of money very, very fast. Now, you want to stay updated. Everyone in my Telegram group was already aware of this webinar, that it was going on, and everything that I've done in the past. They've been aware of AI OFM for a year now. I've been going on about AI OFM for a year. I was literally the first person to get involved with this business model. If you don't believe me, go onto my Instagram and look at my story highlights. You will see exactly a year ago I was running AI models. And would I fucking bullshit and would I waste my time making a whole channel surrounded around AI models if this shit didn't work? No, I fucking wouldn't. I don't chat bollocks about AI models. It fucking works. If you also look on a previous video I did about the Pornhub Insights for 2023, one of the top genres of porn for 2023 was hentai, which is kind of a subgenre of AI models that is porn that does not exist, which means that it's just proof in the pudding that these blokes want this kind of content. So I'm not chatting shit when I say that AI models fucking work. Now, what you want to do is go down the description. You want to join my Telegram. This will have future updates about the webinar, about any kind of AI advancements that we're making. And also, if you want to get involved in any kind of coaching or anything we're holding in the future, that is the place to be, because I'll update everything on there. So go down the description, join the Telegram, is OFMKyle. Also follow me on Instagram, OFMKyle, to get the latest updates as well. Now, I will have in the description a link so you can sign up to the webinar. The places of this webinar are very limited. We're going to have 100 places for the first webinar. So if you do want to get involved, make sure that you go to that link as soon as possible and sign up. This will basically guarantee you a place in the webinar, and anyone who misses out on this, shit bust. That is you fucking whatever. You're going to have to wait for the next one, or fucking don't attend. That's absolutely fine. But the people that join this webinar are going to get inside access into how to set up these AI models and how to actually make money with this business model. So if that does sound like something you want to get involved with, go down in the description and sign up to the webinar right now. You do not want to miss AI OFM.